name's Justin Murray from the Murray team at Remax Bayside Properties, and welcome to 86 Kane Street, Redland Bay. This property is in beautiful, superb location, with the golf club only 500 metres down the road. Go for a ride and check it out. And how close was that? You know what's closer? That's the water. The water is 400 metres that way. Go check it out. The owners have completely restored this house inside. A beautiful 4-bedroom, 2-bathroom home. Right through is not a cent to spend. And one of the biggest features in this property is a huge entertainment rumpus room. You can use it for anything. Think granny flat, teenage retreat, games room. Come inside and have a look. What a beautiful backyard for the kids to play, or even put a pool in if you like. Thanks for watching. My name's Justin Murray. I look forward to seeing you soon or on the golf course. Bye for now.